Believe it or not, a simple household spoon can hold an astonishing 27% of your body weight in liquid. For centuries, people have been using spoons to scoop, stir, and measure various substances in their daily lives. However, did you know that a spoon can also be a DIY repair tool? From tightening loose handles to fixing broken spoons, we'll explore some creative and easy ways to give new life to your trusty utensils. In this video, we'll dive into the world of quick DIY repairs and home fixes, using a spoon as the unlikely hero. So grab a spoon and let's get started. Spoons are an essential part of our daily lives, and we often take them for granted. But with a little creativity, you can turn a broken spoon into a functional one. For instance, if your spoon's handle is loose, you can use a piece of wire to create a makeshift screw. This technique involves wrapping the wire around the handle and securing it with a small metal washer. But that's not the only way to fix a loose handle. Imagine you're at a campsite and you need to fix a broken spoon to make s'mores. You can use a small rock or a piece of bark to create a makeshift handle repair. Just wrap the rock or bark around the broken handle and secure it with some twine. It may not be the most elegant solution, but it'll get the job done. And then something unexpected happened. You discovered a new way to repurpose a broken spoon. But that's not the strangest part. Wait until you hear what comes next. You can also use a spoon to fix a broken glass. Yes, you read that right, a spoon can help you repair a broken glass.
It may sound crazy, but trust me, it's a game changer.
Imagine you're at a picnic and someone accidentally drops a glass. You can use a spoon to scoop up the broken glass and create a makeshift patch.
Just press the broken glass together using the spoon, and voila!
Your broken glass is now good as new. But that's not all. A spoon can also be used to fix a leaky faucet. It may sound like a far-fetched idea, but it's actually quite simple. You can use a spoon to tighten the faucet's packing nut and stop the leak. Just insert the spoon into the faucet's packing nut and turn it clockwise. This will tighten the nut and stop the leak. And then something unexpected happened. You discovered a new way to fix a leaky faucet.
You can also use a spoon to fix a clogged drain.
Yes, you read that right, a spoon can help you unclog a drain. It may sound crazy, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. Imagine you're in a hurry to finish your morning routine, and your drain is clogged. You can use a spoon to scoop up the clog and create a makeshift cleaning tool. Just insert the spoon into the drain and twist it back and forth. This will dislodge the clog and get your drain flowing again. And then something unexpected happened. You discovered a new way to fix a clogged drain. In conclusion, a spoon is not just a simple utensil, it's a DIY repair tool waiting to happen. So the next time you're faced with a broken spoon or a leaky faucet, remember the creative ways we can fix them using a spoon. Subscribe for more incredible DIY repair tips and tricks, and let's get creative together. And don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite DIY repair ideas using a spoon. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks.